Hi Turtle friends, it's Teacher Shelley again. We're going to do another fun experiment and we're going to use some baking soda, some vinegar, some food coloring again, and let's get started. So I put in a scoopful of baking soda in each one of these dishes, and you can use whatever you have at home. You can use a glass if you want. And then I poured some vinegar in a measuring cup just to make it easier. So we're going to add a drop of food coloring to each one. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Just like my shirt. And my favorite color. All right, now let's see what's going to happen. Let's move these out of the way so you can see how to move the camera closer. Let's see what's going to happen. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Let's see what happens. I'm going to add the vinegar. Oh no, do you see what's happening? It's exploding. Let's see what the yellow does. Yellow's doing the same thing. Green and blue. Pretty cool. Do you hear it? It's making a fuzzy noise. Now we have all kinds of colors. And the good thing about it is if you add more of the vinegar and more of this, it'll explode even further. But that's why I use this cookie dish, because I didn't want the mess all over my table here, and I'm sure your parents won't either. Well, have fun doing it at home. We'll see you later. Bye.